Good morning. We're here in Cosmoprof, North American, Miami, with Ben Levine from Digital Color. So we're here today present the first AI machine in the industry. One of the will make you do like me as a hairdresser. I think the game changer, especially as a salon owner. Wow! I will let Mr. Ben Levine to just tell what's special about this machine. They're gonna ask him following questions to challenge what's so special about this machine. Ben.
Hi Benny, how are you? Introduce more yourself. Okay, so thank you for you to come here to check the machine. Our machine is very unique. This is an AI technology that produce more than 1,000 colors, okay, from 12 cans that create more than 1,000 colors. This is an AI-based machine. Okay, the technology developed in Germany, the machine developed in Germany, and the colors are also made in Germany. Very high quality colors. It means that the hairdresser don't need to hold more than 1,000 cubes. He can hold the machine, and in 30 seconds, he can get the perfect color for the client.
Let me get this right. So basically, you're saying you can get 1,000 shades from 12 cans color.
Exactly.
Wow. 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 So right now, I can tell you in my company, we have about 144 shades. That's crazy. So to minimize it to 12 tubes, it's a game changer. So you're saying also he can make a formula for under 30 seconds?
Under 30 seconds.
And
you are also don't waste material because you choose the length of the customer and you will get the exact gram for the customer that you will use all the material and no waste.
so basically, you're customizing each formula by the length and thickness, so it gives you exactly how many grams you need for each head.
Exactly.
Wow, that's the. So can you give us some demonstration, making some color to show how it works?
So, but let's do it in the orange one better.
Wonderful, wonderful, please. So right now, Mr. Ben Levine gonna give us demonstration how to mix the color. It looks to me very simple. So you have to use a phone for this app, or you have a computer or tablet? How that works?
Tablet, you can use computer, you can use phone. Same, you are getting into the app, the digital color app, okay? And you choose the color. Let's start to show this.
Let me put the phone so we can see the.
There is 3 ways to do it. First is the e-swatch. You are getting into the electronic swatch. You choose from here number.
The color chart, you mean?
Yes, it's a color chart. You choose the number. You put, let's say we want the green, so 10 on 02.
So basically, you choose the color chart from the number, and you implement the color on the app.
Exactly, you will get the green one.
Green one.
This is one option.
One option, okay.
Second option is going to the color series.
Color series, okay.
And you choose the color you want, let's say
Base, okay.
the base, and you can get all the rocks in it.
So very simple.
You will get the purple, brown, you will get the brown and gray. Okay? And if you want to be more professional and you want to play with it and you want to work with your mind, you can do it professional.
Do you mean color like a formulation?
Let's say the client called
You mean customized for each client?
exactly, you can choose whatever you want.
I see. You can like how many grams each. If you have already existing formula, you just match it to
Exactly.
Perfect, right? So can you show us an example how that's done?
Sure.
So let's choose a color. Let's say number 6, 0 and 6, 1.
This watch. Let's say you want
So let's do this 871.
871.
871.
So we are choosing 871.
Good.
Okay, I choose
Matte pink brown.
Yeah.
Ash. Perfect.
confirm.
So you can tell you can choose your volume of the peroxide
Exactly. No, before you are choosing the length.
or the length of the hair to be precise with the grams, not to over abuse the product.
Let's make short. Okay, and you will choose the peroxide. Where the client, what is the origin of her color now? What level she come with? One accent, blonde. Okay, confirm. I need to bring a name for the client because it will.
Let's say Ben. Okay.
Okay, he give me the formula that he put from each color to create it. I choose the machine, confirm. That's it.
So now it's wow, look at that. Tell us about else what we see here right now.
You can see that the machine is sweeping and changing the color according to the formula that we choose. It's working very fast. There is no any problem or mistakes with the color. Every time it's very correct.
And how many shades you can get?
More than 1,000.
More than 1,000 shades. Wow, that's a game changer.
You can see here that the peroxide are coming from the sides. Here is 1.5%. The other side is 13%, and the machine can create and stop everywhere in the middle.
So question, how many grams if each tube? How many colors you can get from each tube?
From each tube is 300 grams, so ml. So it's like, let's say, 5 tubes of 60
Right, so like you can get up to approximately about 6 customers, more or less.
from one can.
Yeah, 1 can. Wow, 6 customers for 1 can. And what's the cost market is for the salon owner, for instance? What's the cost?
Salon owner, we have now a price of $50 per can.
15.
50.
50 for pen can.
Yeah.
Cool. So basically, if I buy average, let's say any brand out there, cost me almost $12, $11 for per tube. So if you're doing by 6, you're getting $64. So you're paying $50. You're saving over $12, $13 for per can.
Exactly.
And what else is beautiful? I understand you say, hey, maybe it's not worth it in a way, because think about it. You know, if you have multi people working for you, and you know how much you're saving. Think about how many of them mixing too much of color or going, removing, applying.
And how many?
Tubes, you know, the small tubes, how many open tubes you have. I'm in a salon, how many tubes I've opened from same numbers. What happens sometimes, some people don't use the tubes, they live for 3-4 months and they apply the color again. That can be, change the color, it can be black, so it can ruin the colors of the customer. So I think guys, if somebody, salon owners, wanna really save it, and to want to take the business to next levels, because what's going to happen is you're not going to have those customers with the red roots hot or they're not color got right. And also what's beautiful about, you have the history of the customer, what you got done. You don't have to memorize or write things in a thing, right? So let me just smell, because sometimes they smell. So these are the colors made in Germany, right?
Correct.
So I know majority of customers, like the Morocco colors, like Schwarzkopf, Goldwell, they're all made in Germany. So they are actually, we know Germany actually very well with their chemistry, especially, we know Mercedes, BMW, you know. So basically we know what Germany stands for. And I think it's amazing, but I don't smell ammonia at all. So question, how about gray coverage?
100%.
100%. Well, you know, they all say 100%. Why you say 100%?
Because actually we test more than 1,000 clients with gray hair, and we can show the full results that no even one gray after the treatment, after the coloring. Our formula is unique. We are producing it in a factory that making colors in Germany more than 30 years.
Wow.
With a lot of experience. The quality is a sister company of Schwarzkopf. Yeah.
That's secret, I guess, right? Nobody heard this, guys.
Yeah.
So right now we have, as a Hair Bar NYC, we have 10 locations. I think it seems like we have about 100 people. I think we're gonna sign up for this. Think about it, how much saving I can have. And you know, I'm not gonna also fail. You know, in our company, people always change, people move up, people go. So you wanna make sure the customers, we have the same customers, they wanna come back, get the same results. Sometimes with the people who work for us, they don't give honest, or they don't put the information, the color formulation right in the system. With this, you cannot get away with it, because you have to get the formula, you have to go through this, all right? So it's not get away with it. So definitely you can save money annually. I cannot imagine, I'm right now running numbers, and my head cannot stop with them changing. So I will.
I think this is the next generation.
100%. And also it's by AI, you know, it's like something, you know, I'm not saying we human do errors, you know, machine, obviously, a little bit, I cannot say smarter than you, but be human build it, but still can be, has so much information, human cannot store it. Here we're in North Miami, Cosmoprof, here Ben Levine. So with digital color company, with the AI machine color, one of the fascinating machines, next game changer. Mr. Levine, thank you very much for your explanation and your information.
Visit my with you. For you to come to visit us, and I hope that we will have a future cooperation together, that we can succeed together for a long time.
100%. Next year we see in Cosmoprof, American Miami.